Hello friends, today we will learn about operators in Python, and in operators we'll study about arithmetic operators. We know that operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. We'll learn how to use arithmetic operators in Python. These are some symbols flashing on the screen. These are operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, mod, exponent and floor division. These are the list of operators which are supported in Python. Let us take one example and understand how to use these operators in programs. Let us declare three variables here: x, y and z. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 8. I am using Python idle here. So let us try to form an expression. A is equal to x plus y, b is equal to x minus y, c is equal to z into y, d is equal to 2 raised to 2. So that particular asterisk repeated twice is used for exponent purpose, and here through numbers I am trying to do the division, and below that I am trying to do floor division. G is equal to 10 mod 2. So I have used all the operators here, and let us print the result using print statement. Through print statement I am trying to print every variable, and I am using format function here. So inside the braces serial wise I am mentioning the variables, the value of which I want inside the brace. So here inside the first bracket value of A will be printed, after that the value of B will be printed, and so on. And for the floor division and exponent purpose I am using different print statement using format function. So now let us save the file. I have already one file created. I am just replacing it and execute the program. So as you can see here we have got the out. Now most of the operations are easily you can observe, but what we have to observe here is floor division. So here when I see result of division is 1.6 and the result of floor division is 1, so here we can understand that it prints the quotient of a particular division. So floor division is nothing but printing the quotient or giving the largest integer as an out. It will not produce a decimal result. So I hope it will be clear how to use these operators in your program. Thank you.